Hi everyone! Today we're continuing our series on lesser-known tips for general health care that will promote healthier and faster-growing hair. This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
Playing dominoes can be helpful for your health in several ways. First, it helps to keep your mind active and engaged. Puzzles like dominoes can help improve cognitive function and memory, both of which are vital for maintaining good health as you age. Second, playing dominoes can be an exceptional way to relieve stress and relax. The slow, methodical nature of the game can help to calm your nerves and lower your blood pressure. And lastly, playing dominoes can be a delicate form of exercise that can help to enhance your balance and coordination. Talking to friends can help alleviate stress, improve immunity, and protect against heart disease. These benefits may be due to the fact that friendship provides social support, which can help buffer the results of stress. Friendship also helps nourish healthy behaviors, like exercise and eating a healthy diet. Swimming in lakes can be good for your health for a lot of reasons. First, it is a wonderful way to stay physically active and get exercise. Second, the water in lakes is often clean and fresh, which can be useful for your skin and hair. Third, swimming in lakes can help you relax and de-stress. Coriander has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which make it effective in treating skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and acne. The essential oils in coriander can help to moderate swelling and redness, while the dietary fiber can help to remove toxins from the skin. While a cup of coffee or tea in the morning can help you start your day, drinking caffeine too late in the day can disrupt your sleep patterns and make it harder to fall asleep. Caffeine has a half-life of around 5 periods of time, which means that it can take up to 10 a time for it to completely leave your system. A insufficient night's sleep can have a negative impact on your general health. There are multiple benefits to getting a massage, including increasing your overall health. Massaging your back can help to improve circulation, release tension and knots, and raise range of motion. Touch is also a powerful way to connect with others and can be good for your mental health. If you're searching for ways to improve your health, consider adding back massage to your routine.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun, so let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time!